V mestnem parku se zaključuje 13. študentska konferenca mladih SCiM. Za zaključno prireditev so nam pripravili plesno in gledališko predstavo, razstavo, 2 filma, stand-up komedijo in improvizacijo. What did you prepare for tonight?
So I spent a week painting or drawing some paintings with my other colleagues from the workshop, and we are going to present our pictures.
What was for you the funniest moment here?
Well, I like the parties, it was really funny, and otherwise, I don't know, just spending time with the others.
Will you ever come back to Slovenia or Maribor?
We will see, maybe yes.
Hi. I was whole weekend moving or taking some pictures and recording the movie for the SCiM for the old people here, and we were quite a lot of partying and so on.
What was the funniest moment here?
The funniest was maybe the final movie that you will see and all the people see here today.
Did you learn a lot this week?
Yes, I learned a lot, especially of the other countries, the other cultures, and I learned about Maribor and Slovenia, you know, and it's really great. I think everybody should come to the SCiM, yeah.
So what did you like the most about Maribor and Slovenia?
Well, the most I like your river, you know, and I really like Land Festival. I've never been to a festival like this. It's so creative, so many creative workshops, and you can really have fun here.
What was the funniest moment in this week?
Actually, the whole week was very fun. Every day was something new, new impressions, new parties. Like, for example, tonight Hawaiian party, tomorrow something else. Everything was very, like, in a very creative way. And what else? I just want to use this moment and say thank you to all organizers and to everyone who made this event for us. And yes, we had a great fun. Thanks.